Can data entered into a fillable PDF be stored in Microsoft Access or SQL Server? Yes, when it's properly designed and integrated. This process isn't automatic, so it's important to understand what's actually happening behind the scenes. Fillable PDFs can send data to Access or SQL Server, but the PDF itself doesn't store anything. It just collects structured information. Step 1. The PDF collects structured data using named fields, data types, and validation rules. Properly designed forms use field names, data types, and validation, ensuring accurate input and consistency. Step 2. Once filled, the PDF can be submitted, emailed, or saved. The form data is then extracted in a controlled way. Extraction methods include Adobe Form Export, server-side scripts, desktop automation, or web services. Step 3. The extracted data is programmatically written into Access or SQL Server tables. This enables secure storage, reporting, and integration with other business systems. With the right integration logic, this is a well-understood, reliable process, not experimental. Winning Solutions, Inc. has deep experience integrating Access and SQL Server with PDF workflows, transforming manual processes into efficient digital systems. Ready to connect your PDFs to a database? Contact WSI today at 515-239-9900 or visit winningsolutionsinc.com.